Hornbill is pleased to introduce some new features and functionality in Service Manager to help you with your release management process. We start by looking at our new release form. From our request list, we have a new filter option for showing our existing release records. From this list, you can also create a new release record. And in both cases, visibility of these are dependent on your roles and rights within Service Manager. From the list, I'm going to open up my release record to view the details. We start with the process tracker. As with other request types, a definable workflow can be applied to each release. The progress of that workflow is visualized by the process tracker to keep you informed of where you are in the process. The next feature we're going to look at is the link option. This allows you to bring in changes or other request types that are going to be part of this release package. The linking of a request will add it to the link request section of your release, and from here you can see and access all the requests included in this package. From the release form, we can also access the associated service. In this case, it is the software support service that is managing this release. By clicking here, we can view the service and see some of the options for configuring your releases that are raised under this service. From here, we can set the default workflow, configure and add fields to the release form, set up your categories, and select which actions you want to have available for your requests. We can now move over to the list of associated requests and navigate back to our release record. We're now going to have a look at the scheduling of this release. We see here that we have a date and time that have already been set. And if we view the change calendar, we can see the release alongside other scheduled releases and changes. Once viewing the calendar, you can filter your view to just show changes, or releases, or both. We can also see which are not authorized, or rejected. The first scheduled item that we see in the calendar is a change, as identified by the icon. And here is our release record. We can see that it's not currently authorized. We can also use the hover over pop-up to see more information about the release, and then click on it to once again view the details of the request.